NOKIA N81 disassembly. You will need the NOKIA Standard Toolkit version 2 as well as the camera removal tool SS88. Gently pry open the clips of the menu K-Mate. Lift up and remove the K-Mate now. Shift open the assembly. Gently pry open all clips of the ITU K-Mate with the SRT6. Continue until all clips of the K-Mate are unlocked. Now the K-Mate can be lifted up and removed. Unscrew these two Torx Plus size 6 screws. Remove these screws and discard them. Do not use them again. Release the adhesive of the window AC with the SRT6 on both sides. Now the window AC can be removed. Do not use it again. Lever out the gaming key assembly. Unscrew the next two Torx size 6 screws in the shown order. Do not use them again. Gently release the adhesive of the flex. Once released, these flex can't be used again. Carefully lift up the glued-in LCD. Note the correct positioning of the SS93. Do not destroy the components underneath. Flip over the LCD now. Open the flex connector of the LCD. Release both countersunk screws in the order shown. Unlock the latches of the A-cover on both sides. Remove the A-cover. Gently lever out the airpiece. Prevent destroying the delicate clips of the A-cover. Do not destroy the grounding pads. Use the A-cover as support when turning the assembly. Unscrew these 8 Torx Plus size 6 screws in the order shown. Discard these screws. Do not use them again. Now the A-cover can be removed again. Release the large flex connector and the small connector with the SS93. The slide module assembly can be removed now. Slot the flex through the recess of the slide module assembly. Open the connector with the dental pick. Push out the engine module. Unlock and remove the camera module. Push out the antenna. Remove the audio connector. Ease out both IHF speakers. Discard these speakers. They cannot be used again. The disassembly procedure is now completed.